I need to dethatch my front lawn behind me here, and normally I would just use my tow behind dethatcher. But this area here is just too tight, it's too small, it's not ideal to use a tow behind dethatcher. They don't work very well when you're making loads of tight turns. So I got myself an electric dethatcher, so today we're going to test that out and see how well it works at pulling up all the thatch out of this part of the lawn. The dethatcher I went with is the Yardcare electric dethatcher and scarifier. Went with this one from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. You can scarify and dethatch. So with the handles installed, you can adjust the height, undo the nut on this side and adjust it, do the one on the other side. This little ratchet mechanism, they can just go around like that, lift it up, tighten that up now. There is height adjustment all the way from negative 12mm to 10mm. To adjust it, push the lever in and then just push up. What that does is lifts the front wheels up so it's clearing more of the ground. If you want to go down, just push it in, push it, put it down. It's going to determine how deep the blades underneath go into the soil. This is a scarifier, and we want to exchange this because I don't actually want to go too deep into the lawn. I just want to remove the thatch. To do that, I like it's really easy to change it over. Let's turn this little thumb screw here, pull it all the way out, lift up the bracket and pull this blade out. Careful, it is sharp. Bring in your dethatcher, and you can only put this on one way, so you don't have to worry about putting it the wrong way. But this side here goes to the opposite side of the latch. The bearing goes in here. We'll lift up this cap, slot this side in first. Make sure the bearing goes into the slot that is over here. Close this back down and tighten this wing nut back up. See how well this does. It might fill up too quickly, but we will put it in there. That's a really simple operation. Just start up the dethatcher, hold this button down, pull the trigger back. Instantly starts up. We are going to run in negative 3mm position. I don't think we need to go up to plus 10, but we'll try it at the negative 3 and see how well it does. Just look at all this stuff that's picking up. Some good grass in there too, but most of this is just all dead and thatch. Look at this area over here. So much crap. Well, I can't believe it took me so long to buy one of these dethatchers. I've always just used my tow behind dethatcher and thought, hey, that's good enough. This thing is so much better. It pulls so much more material out already. I'm going to test out the scarifier as well, but I'm going to get all this thatch out of here first. Then I'll come along with my lawnmower, and then I can do a little bit of scarifying once everything's cleared out. So if you are looking for a dethatcher for your lawn, I recommend you get one of these Yardcare dethatchers. Time to go and pick all this up. When it comes to picking up all this thatch, you can do a couple of things. You can get a leaf blower and blow it all to one side. I find that's a little bit messy, especially in a small area like this next to the drive. Second thing, you can get a rake and rake it up by hand. Or third thing, get your lawnmower out, mow it all. I know this Yardcare dethatcher does come with a bag. It fills up too fast. It's easier just to leave it here than use a lawnmower to pick it all up. I was finding that the bag can't hold that much, and it's dump day tomorrow, so I can just put it straight in the truck and take it there tomorrow, which is fantastic. Don't have to leave all this grass clippings and crap lying around the yard. So I'm going to sacrifice this little area here, see what the scarifier does. Actually, I know what scarifier does, but just want to see how well it works. Now the scarifier is much more aggressive. It's still pulling some thatch out. You can see here it gets all the way down to the soil, and that's good for more aerating than dethatching. Kind of does both at the same time. And that's how to dethatch your own lawn. You could go over this again with a dethatcher and pull up even more. You could even add the scarifier, and I'd recommend you do that if you're going to be overseeding your lawn at the same time, because you know what, That allows those seeds to get down to the soil and germinate with some good seed soil contact. If you want to get yourself a Yardcare Dethatcher, I'll leave a link in the description below. But thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more DIY content around the home, you should check out this video here next.